Hey guys, I have to say something.
Oh, hi.
I'm just having a dance party. Sorry, I'm really bad at filming. But this is not my mascot. I'm just too lazy to go upstairs and get another LPS. So this is the only one that was down here. So yeah, but I want to show you guys something really cool. Okay, this is a super rare LPS, and it comes with a stick. So I'm gonna show you. It's not a super rare LPS, it's Slime Sense. I got new ones. I got fruities. I'm gonna show you. I got, all of them smell so good all together. Okay, sorry. I got pear. Oh, and sorry for the noise in the background. It's very noisy. You hear that? I know. This is apple. And is there a banana one? I don't know. And then, what's this? What is this? It just randomly appeared. Oh yeah, in a banana. Sorry. Mango Madness. Grapefruit. Strawberry, which I'm very excited about. I've smelled before. And honeydew melon. So we gotta get ready. So we're doing it right now. Yeah. Okay, so I just put in the white glue. Okay. So I'm just gonna add some shaving cream. It's gonna be fluffy slime. Really fluffy. And this is my... Okay. Red. Dead. Red. Okay. This looks so pretty when it's not mixed in. Oh, it's turning pink. Pink would be a good color, right? I'm gonna turn it a little darker. I know I had too much time. Not really. Like I said in my last video, I'm gonna do, I might not do, what I got for Christmas. I might not. Can I have the chair that I put all of my slime on that I make? Okay, I'm activating it right now. The beautiful chair, the beautiful artistic messy chair. Oh. Okay. This is like, okay. Oh my gosh. What's that? I know. I put it in way too early. I don't know why. It's a habit. It's the habit. I'm only gonna put one though. Oh, okay. got it on me. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the table. Even though it's white. Not activated. It's not activated yet. I have a feeling this is gonna melt. Like my other slimes. And guys, I'm not losing squishies or LPS. I just, you might think, some of you might think that I'm just doing slime videos now, but I'm not. This looks orange in the camera, but it's not. It's pinkish. It looks orange. Yes, this is good. But it's not fully activated. I might want to add 1 pinch of dye. No. I got it from Tiba. Okay, so no, it won't. No. Okay, so this is fully activated. No, it's not. Okay. I'll see you guys when it's activated. Bye. This is fully activated now. I'm gonna add just a teensy bit of activator. And this is the final product. No, it isn't. I haven't added in the scent, which I'm gonna do right now. Let's smell it. Smell it. Oh, yes. I can smell it so good. Do you hear that? It looks so orange in the camera. So, I just, put in these little beads. Oh, it feels so good. He's just being a germaphobe. Don't worry. Tell me in the comments if you're a germaphobe. Or if you think you're a germaphobe. Oh, my eyes sting. This feels super good. So, I'm just gonna add a teensy weensy bit of this. Okay. Now it looks like a cake instead of... Okay. I'm gonna put the thumbnail. Okay. I'm gonna show you. I was really bad at that. The finished product. Yeah. LPS slime. Yep, that is it. Okay, take out all these. Oh gosh, this is the slime. tell me in the comments if you want me to do an intro, but I'm obviously gonna do it in the YouTube. Yes. But if you want the slime, go get it on Cookie Dough LPS. No, Cookie Dough Slime 64. And I'll see you later. Bye. Bye.